Hello, this is Marcus from Berlin, Germany, and what I want to show you today is my project 1 for CS50's web development with Python and JavaScript. So this is what it looks like in code, but of course what I want to show you is the real thing. So this is my demo in Chrome. As you can see, we are not logged in, so we're redirected to the login page. I would log in now, but I want to show you also the register page. This is what it looks like if we're creating a new user in the system. So let's call that user CS50, and for means of simplicity now also the password CS50. Just that you know, if I wouldn't fill this out, this would get me a notification to please also fill that field. Okay, let's register at CS50. Chrome asked me if I want to save that. No, I don't want to. And now let's log in. So this gets us a nice little welcome message. This is our index page, books project 1, welcome back user. This is a little welcome message, and we're here, as you can see, able to search for a book by its ISBN, title, or author, or parts of these. So let's, for example, look for something like job. I know there's a book called Steve Jobs, and there might be other things, so let's look for that. Oh yeah, we have Steve Jobs, we have Curious George Takes a Job, and A Dirty Job. Okay, I'm interested in the Steve Jobs book here, so let's go for that. And we see the book details for Steve Jobs, ISBN, title, author, year, and also the reviews that people have left on this page. So this is a 5-star rating, wow, by 3 different users. We made sure that every user can only leave 1 review. So after you do this, you're not able to anymore. You also see the average rating on Goodreads.com. So on Goodreads, this book received an average rating of 4.14 in so many ratings. My God, that's a lot. Okay, so now we're a new user. We are user CS50, so we want to create a new review. So let's say that's 4 stars and great read. Submit review. What happens now is the review is inserted into the database. Review successfully submitted, as you can see, and added here in the list. And now it's not possible anymore to leave any other review for this book because we have already. You already left a review for this book. Thanks a lot. Okay, great. So now let's go back home. Of course, we can also search for Krondor. I know there's a book called Krondor, The Betrayal. See the reviews here. There haven't been any reviews. Nevertheless, we have the rating from Goodreads.com. And what we also can do is, it was asked that we provide an API for this. So let's again look for the job, Steve Jobs book. So let's just take the ISBN here, and we define the API route as IPA/book. And now let's just insert the ISBN here. See what that gets us. Yeah, so that's the API response, a JSON formatted dictionary kind of, with author, average score on this particular web page, ISBN, review count, title, and year. So you can see every detail and get it dynamically by API. So that's basically it. What was particularly interesting was the login required. I learned a lot about decorators in this one. That's a decorator for all the other functions that require login. So this just finds out if you're logged in or not, and in case you're not, redirects you to the login page. So I learned quite a lot in this. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great time. Thank you. Bye-bye.